Struggling from short battery life inverters, tired of frequent replacement and unreliable performance? It's time to switch to the Lento Tubular Battery, your solution for extended power and reliable performance. Designed for the most demanding conditions, Lentos offer a wide range of tubular batteries from 50 Ah to 320 Ah, ensuring you have the perfect power backup for any need. Built with a strong PP container, our battery resists impact, gas, and oil, providing the raw durability you need even in extreme environments. Say goodbye to constant maintenance. Our ultra-low maintenance battery features premium acid level indicators and spill-proof plus, making them safer and longer lasting. With reverse, non-corrosive terminals, Lento's batteries are designed to prevent external short circuit, ensuring that your power system stays protected. Each battery goes under a strict heat sealing process until tests to ensure it's completely spill-proof, giving peace of mind with every charge. Our positive plates are made of 99.94% pure lead of enhanced performance, higher backup, and strong battery life, even on heavy loads like ACs. Switch to Lento Tubular batteries and experience uninterrupted power, extended battery life, and unmatched reliability. Lento, where power meets precision.